let's talk about budget-friendly, CG-friendly products that are available in India that you can find for under 350 rupees. I'm going to start with a pre-poo. Under this category, I'm going to recommend the Arata Advanced Curl Care Hair Oil. This is a blend of so many amazing oils. So I have almost 30 products to talk about in this video, so I'm going to move really fast. I'm going to put up images on the screen. If you're looking for more information, you can just pause the video and take a screenshot. This is a thick, heavy oil, a great option to pre-poo with a couple of pumps, and that should be sufficient per use. Next, let's talk about shampoos. So the first one that I have to talk about is the Mom's Co Protein Shampoo. This retails for 300 rupees. It would suit people who have a sensitive scalp type. So if you have a dry, sensitive scalp, you need a shampoo that is extremely gentle, does not lather too much, then this one would be perfect for you. Next, we have the Mom's Co Natural Damage Repair Shampoo. This you'll find on Amazon for 300 to 369 rupees. So watch out for the sales and pick it up when it's under 350 rupees. This is also a gentle shampoo, a little more cleansing than the last one that I spoke about. Up next is the Plum, Avocado and Argan Frizz Control Shampoo. This is an extremely moisturizing shampoo. If you have a dry scalp and dry lengths, then this shampoo would suit you. I personally would use something like this during the winter. Up next is the True Frog Everyday Moisturizing Shampoo. This is one of the new launches from True Frog. You'll find this on the True Frog website. This shampoo would suit you if you have a normal to oily scalp and if you wash your hair frequently. Next, we have the True Frog Shampoo for Girls. True Frog has launched a 150 ml tube of this shampoo. It looks something like this when it comes to the size. It is a cleansing shampoo. It will get rid of a pre-poo. This will suit you if you have a normal to oily scalp. If you use code Michelle, again, you're getting 20% off on the True Frog website. So this brings the price down to 308 rupees, which is a bang for your buck because you've seen me talking about this shampoo so much. It is one of my favorites, especially when you're using a pre-poo. This would be one of the few options out there. Then we have some shampoo bars from Qurez. This is the shampoo bar for curls and this is the Lavender shampoo bar. Unfortunately, this one is going to be discontinued. I'm really sad that that's happening. So whatever is left, you'll find on Amazon or on their website. As soon as this shampoo is out of stock, it is going to disappear forever, which is really sad because out of all of the shampoo bars that I've tried so far, this is my favorite. It is such a nice shampoo bar. I hope the brand reconsiders and brings this back. So after this, the Lavender shampoo bar is going to be available. But if you ask me for my personal opinion, this one is so much better. It is so much more moisturizing as well as cleansing. Next, we have the Sugarboo Cleansing Shampoo. Sugarboo has launched all of their products in 100 ml bottles and they've made the price very reasonable. If you have extremely heavy buildup and nothing is getting rid of it, then this is something that you can use. This is not a regular shampoo. It is a clarifying shampoo. Only use this when you have extreme buildup on your hair and no other products are working for you. Since we're on the topic of Sugarboo Curls, I'm going to be announcing a huge giveaway with Sugarboo Curls on my Instagram. This is my handle. Check it out. 30 minutes after this video goes live, I'm going live with the giveaway. So if I were to make things easy for you, these two shampoos are for people who have a dry, sensitive scalp. This shampoo would be for everybody during the winter if you're looking for a moisturizing shampoo, or it could be for somebody who has a dry scalp and is looking for a moisturizing shampoo. This would be for frequent washers who have a normal to oily scalp. This would be for an oily scalp, or if you're using a pre-poo, and this would be for extreme buildup. This is a clarifying shampoo. Next, let's talk about conditioners. I'm trying to go from lightest to heaviest. So first we have the Sugarboo Conditioner. This is like a very light conditioner. It smells of peppermint. If you're sensitive to peppermint, then maybe skip this product. I personally really like it because the slip is immaculate, and also I've used this as a conditioner as well as a deep conditioner. I really like this product. Next, we have the Mom's Co Protein Conditioner. This is a very nice conditioner. It has brilliant slip. You can pick this up on Amazon. Let me see how much you pay. I've seen this retail between 300 to 352 rupees. It has really nice slip. It is a lightweight conditioner. Definitely something you should check out at some point. no matter what your porosity is, no matter what your curl type is. Next, we have the Mom's Go Natural Damage Repair Conditioner. So this you'll get between 300 to 369 rupees. So you'll need to time your purchase. This is a conditioner that I really like. It has immaculate slip. It is lightweight, so it can be used by medium, low or high porosity hair. Whether you have tight curls or you have loose curls, this would suit you. It has immaculate slip. Next, we have the Plum, Avocado and Argan Frizz Control Conditioner. So I recently picked up some products from this range. Plum has repackaged the range. I'll put up pictures where you can see what it used to look like and what it now looks like. So when I saw this on Amazon and I read the reviews, they didn't look very promising. So I was in two minds as to whether I should pick this up. I'm really glad I did because so far I'm really liking this conditioner. If you're trying to wet detangle, first apply the conditioner and then run your hair under the shower once to really activate the slip. Give me a couple of weeks and I'll give you like a full review of this range. Next, I want to talk about the True Frog Everyday Hair Conditioner. You already know how much I love this conditioner. True Frog has recently released this in a 150 ml tube, making it very budget friendly. So if you use code Michelle, you're paying 300 rupees for 150 ml, which is a really good price point. The slip is really good. It is a lightweight conditioner. It will not weigh your hair down. I've never had any issues wet detangling with it. The next one is the Recoil Babasu conditioner. I checked out the Recoil website. I think they've increased the price of this. Either way, the offer price right now is 355 rupees. And if you use code 10Michelle, you're paying 319 rupees for the product. You are getting 150 ml of conditioner, which is a pretty decent amount for this price point. If you like thick creamy products and you're looking for a protein-free conditioner, then you're going to enjoy this. And lastly, we have the Recoil Murumuru Damage Repair Conditioner. This is another one of my favorites. I've been talking about this for the past 3 years now. This has protein in it, but it doesn't feature in the top 5. It is lower down in the list. Either way, you know how much I love this conditioner. Next, leave-in conditioners. This is a category that I'm so happy to talk about because in my last couple of videos, I've always given you makeshift solutions because it was very hard to find a leave-in that was under 350 rupees. Well, in this video, I have so many products to talk about, from light to medium to heavy. The first one that I'm talking about is the Fix My Curls Refresh Spray. I picked this up on Amazon for 357 rupees. This is a protein-free product. If you're looking for a very light leave-in conditioner that is protein-free, you can check this out. People with 2A hair, that's low porosity, you can't find a leave-in conditioner that's light enough, I think you'll really enjoy this one. Next, we have the Arata Color Cure Leave-In Conditioner. Although this comes in a tub, it is not a cream. It is a very liquidy product. If you have colored hair, you're trying to cut those brassy tones in your hair, then this is a product that you can check out. If you like super light liquidy products, then you can check this out. And if you're somebody with high porosity hair that has bleached hair or color treated hair, then you can use this as a primer. Next, we have the Sugarboo Curl Defining Cream as well as the leave-in conditioner. So the curl defining cream is lighter than the leave-in conditioner. And so I'm talking about the curl cream first. This product gives you a light cast, so you can use this as a one and done if you're refreshing. Even though this is called a curl defining cream, I don't want to call this a cream because it is an extremely light product. If you have low to medium porosity hair, you can check out this product. It does not have any fragrance. If you have like a fragrance issue, you can check this out. Next, we have the Sugarboo Leave-In Conditioner, which is like a teeny tiny bit heavier than the curl cream. This gives you a little better shrinkage as well. Again, in my opinion, this product can be used by people who have low to medium porosity hair. Next, we have the Arata Advanced Curl Care Leave-In Conditioner. This currently retails on the website for 349 rupees. Using the discount code, you're going to pay 244 rupees for 100 ml of product. This is a light leave-in conditioner. It is completely protein-free. If you have low porosity hair and you can't use protein, then this would be a great product for you to check out. Next, we have the Northwish Moisturizing Conditioner. This is such a sweet chuntu bottle, but don't be fooled by the size. This is 200 ml of product that they've just launched. This is a 3-in-1, so you can use it as a conditioner, a deep conditioner, as well as a leave-in conditioner. I personally enjoy using this as a leave-in conditioner because it does a really good job. If you're looking for a leave-in conditioner that is not too heavy and not too light, just in between, then you can check this out. Next we have the Plum Avocado and Argan Curl Enhancing Creme. This is a curl cream. I picked it up on Amazon for 326 rupees. This is a thick creamy product. I really enjoyed this. Granted, I haven't used it too much. Like I said, this is not a review. I'm going to be reviewing the range in the next couple of weeks. If you're looking for a curl cream that is thick and heavy and nice and moisturizing, you need that extra moisture for your waves or your curls, then you can check this out. Next, let's talk about hair gels. Here I have 4 products to show you guys. First, we have the Sugarboo Citrus and Hibiscus Moisture Hold Gel. If you're looking to give your hair a little bit of moisture and a little bit of hold, and you prefer soft hold products, then you can check this out. Next, we have the Dove Beautiful Curls Curl Defining Gel. I picked this up on Myntra for 291 rupees. So this gel retails for much more than 350 rupees, but you'll find it on discount from time to time on Myntra. So wait for the sales and pick it up then. This gives you medium hold, but it is buildable. If you're looking for a super light gel that does not give you any moisture, but gives you quite a bit of hold, then you can check this out, because this is like a weightless formula. It might also do very well on refresh days, especially if you have medium porosity hair. Next, we have the Fix My Curls Curl Quenching Hair Jelly. I picked this up from Amazon. You'll find this between 260 rupees to 340 rupees. So definitely under the budget. This is a 100-gram tube. This is a medium hold gel. It gives you a decent amount of moisture. It also gives you a decent amount of hold. If you're a beginner to CGM, then this would be my first recommendation to you. And lastly, we have the Northwish Naturals Curl Defining Styling Gel. This is a protein-free gel that gives you hard hold. It also gives me quite a bit of volume, which is why I really like this product. If you're looking for a budget-friendly hard hold gel, then this would be my recommendation to you. If you're looking for a product to SOTC with, I'm going to recommend the All Naturals Grape Seed Oil. You'll get this under budget, and it's a really nice product to use whether you have medium, low or high porosity hair, because grapeseed oil is a really light oil that penetrates the hair cuticle. You can use it to SOTC. You can also use it as a serum during the week. If you're a beginner to the curly girl method and you're looking for my favorite routine, then check out this video.